So have you ever had a love-hate relationship with something or someone? So you know how I feel about oregano essential oil because I absolutely have a love-hate relationship with oregano essential oil. So this is definitely a killer oil for me because it is a hot oil, and a hot oil means that if it touches your skin accidentally, you would feel that very stingy, hot sensation that you can't take it, right? Don't ever try it, but accident does happen. For example, you have oregano spilled on the bottle of the outside of the oils and you accidentally touch your skin, So don't ever panic because always use a fractionated coconut oil to dilute it. But because even though oregano is something that really freaks me out, when it touches my skin, I really need it so much. So stick with me to the end of the video and you would actually find out why this powerful and potent essential oil oregano that packs a million punch, even though I hate it so much, but love it so much. And it is really a staple in my house. So I will literally panic when I run out of it. And you will learn at the end of the video, you will learn how to be a strong mama, strong papa, or a strong adult, feeling like a hero, because this will change your life with natural remedies against many health issues that have really caused a whack out of your family's life. So let's bring the oils in to calm the mess. So welcome back to day 8 of my essential oil challenge. And if you are new on my channel, welcome to my channel because in the last 7 days, I have been sharing how I use the top 10 essential oils in my family. And the last few days, we have been going through how to use lavender, how I use peppermint, digestion, breathe, on guard, deep blue, lemon, and today we are here in the hero of the oil, which is oregano. So remember to like and subscribe so that you will be notified every time I upload a brand new videos on essential oil and things that I love on this channel. Alright, so in this video, I'm going to share with you the fun facts of oregano essential oils, the benefits of oregano essential oils, and how I actually use oregano essential oils in my family. Alright, so let's jump right in now. So oregano essential oils are sourced in Turkey, and it typically takes about 1.1 kg of oregano leaves to produce 15 ml bottle of essential oil. And from a research perspective, there is a current about 700 plus published studies about the benefits of using oregano essential oils. And at current, there are about 21 human clinical trials as at PubMed in December 2017. And because its main chemical constituents are tamoil, carbocal, oregano is definitely one of the most potent and powerful essential oils that have been used in centuries even for traditional practices. The main benefits of oregano essential oils are really its powerful cleansing and purifying properties. And it really works very well for women, especially in supporting urinary infections or candida, right? So what I will do is I will apply oregano with fractionated coconut oil. I will apply fractionated coconut oil before you apply this love-hate relationship bottle and just rub it onto your lower abdomen and rub it gently. And you'll be surprised that I actually use this oil quite frequently. For example, in my boy, he did have warts, which is a type of viruses, and oregano is really useful in such situations. And the other thing that I really love oregano is because of its immune, digestive, and respiratory support when you actually take essential oil internally. So the good way to take, or the must way to take oregano internally, is always through a veggie capsule because of its hot oil nature that I wouldn't recommend using oregano directly without using a veggie capsule because you can really feel the hot oils in your throat. So I wouldn't recommend taking it without the veggie capsule. So what I do is that when I know that I'm falling sick, I will take oregano, 2 drops of oregano, 2 drops of lemon essential oils, 2 drops of peppermint, frankincense into a veggie capsules and just ingest it 3 to 4 times a day. The third benefit of using oregano essential oil is that it really helps in your throat support. For example, if you have throat inflammation or soreness, it can really bring down the soreness down very quickly. Do it at the start of the infection before it actually blows out. So in that scenario, if you are brave enough, yes, you can take oregano. Take oregano into a cup of water. So what I will do is I will just gargle and pull the oils and make sure that the oils are touching your throat, the back of your throat, and gargle it for as long as possible for at least 5 minutes, and then just spit it out. So always remember that when you're using essential oils, use it in a glass or stainless steel cup. So it is also very, very good for cough support. So what I will do is that when the kids are also sick, I will apply oregano, especially the bottom of their feet. Or if I know that they do have a cough or throat problem, what I will also recommend is to use fractionated coconut oil and apply oregano just at the throat level and onto the chest level. So remember to catch my previous video on how you can use essential oils safely, especially when it comes to these hot oils, and why dilution is needed for different ages of kids to adults or even elderlies in your family. So the last thing that I actually use oregano is actually in cooking, right? So I love to use oregano when it comes to making pizza sauce, pasta sauce, or even when I am baking my favorite chicken. Chicken. So I would just add in oregano into the honey, into the soy sauce, and just one drop of oregano is more than enough to bring out the essence of the chicken. And the surprising benefit of oregano is that it is a very good oil for muscle pain relief and inflammation. So oregano is actually a meat tenderizer, and it is also one of the oils that I actually use for my child's growing pain. So what you do is to apply oregano to the affected area of pain. But remember, for safety reasons, because of its high contents in the phenol, 1 or 2 drops of essential oils diluting with fractionated coconut oil is very important for you to remember to use oregano safely. So oregano can also be diffused, but it's also an oil that I would not use it to diffuse that often unless someone is really feeling very sick. Because of its strong scent, it's not something that I would actually use it to diffuse very often. But if someone is feeling very sick, I would actually diffuse oregano. Oregano diffuses really well with lemon, with rosemary, with peppermint, with cypress, and ongan. So try it, because everybody's scent is different, right? So if you find value in my channel, remember to like and to subscribe to the channel so that you'll be notified the next time I upload a brand new videos about essential oil. So I'll see you in my next video.